All right, there's a lot going on in this video, so I'm going to go a little bit slow. This is the fourth and final video today. On this one, we're going to set precision and we're going to set width. All right, going down through here, the only thing new with the shell is from the last video is adding the pound include IO_manip. Besides that, it's the standard shell. All right, I've added a few little nuances to this that you need to see. All right, I am declaring 4 doubles, right? I can do it in a row just like this. Look how I've got this double day 1, comma, day 2, comma, day 3, total, right? I've just declared all 4 of these doubles, all right? This is going to be a CN. I'm going to ask the user to enter each piece of the data, right? C out, enter sales for day 1, and I'm going to see in day 1, same for day 2 and day 3. So nothing new there you haven't seen. All right. I've tried to comment this a little bit better because I'm telling you all to use comments, and I realize the videos that I'm showing you on the screen all don't have comments on it. So I'm going to try to do that a little better job with that. Now calculate the total sales, right? I declared total up here. So now I'm going to add day 1, day 2, day 3, and that's going to be my total. I'm going to assign the total of the day 1, day 2, and day 3, the total of that to my declared total. All right, this next line, I'm going to be printing out some stuff. I wanted to show you something new. This \n that you see here, that works the same as an end line. All right, I don't use this method, but I think it's important that you all see how other programs might be written. In the book, every so often they throw these \n's in. If you come down to it, it's less computer strokes, so I guess it would probably be more concise as far as the programming goes. So this \n and this \n that you all see in purple works the same as an end line. So the next line I'm doing is I'm C out sales. All right. Then the next line, I'm just putting like a line separation between my sales amounts, my header, and my actual totals. So again, I use this \n. Just want you to know that that's there, and that I'll be throwing it in occasionally just so you can see it. But it works the same as this endl down here. All right, I'm going to set precision to 2. No, I'm going to set precision to 5 for this program. Right now, here comes the new thing. C out day 1, set width 1/8. Okay, each one of these is going to have a set width of 1/8. I'm going to run this program to show you what that does to the program so you can see it. Wouldn't make much sense me describing it to you. All right, I'm going to enter 345.25 for day 1, 275.23 for day 2. Day 3, I'm going to enter 125.98. Hit enter. Bring this code down so you can compare to what's written here. All right, set precision to 5. So you can see there's my 5. Each of them has a length of 5. All right. There's my sales amount. You can see that \n does prompt it to the next line. It works the same as an endl. Now, day 1, set width 8. Then I want to print out day 1, endl. Okay, that 8 is this here. Watch this. I've got a 5 here, a 2, a decimal, 5, 4, 3. 2 spaces. What that means is from this semicolon to the end of this number is 8 spaces. If I would have put set width 10, and I'm going to do some different numbers so you can see it. it would have just scooted this over 2. If I would put this at set width 6, it would smash it up against the colon. All right. All this is gaps of distance from your last character. You can see this colon here to the very end of your number. All right. I think the best way to see this would be if I ran this. I'm going to change this to 12, and I'm going to change this one to 12. I'm going to run it again. $345.25, 123.56. I'm just making up numbers on the fly. 245.89. All right, as far as the set width goes, you can tell the set width on these two lines, the gap between the colon and after the colon and after the 5 is 8. Now I go down here, the gap after the colon to after the 9 is 12. I've added 4 more spaces. All right. The other thing I wanted you to see is something that's brand new. I just learned this when I was taking a glance at the book. Something called fixed. This is something I would have loved to had when I first learned this. All right. This fixed, I'm going to change it to 2 here. All this fixed means is this fixes the numbers to the right of the decimal. And this you'll probably use all the time, and you won't use the regular set precision. What this says is I'm fixing it to look like currency by making it set precision 2. I'm going to go like 0.47, which would be 47 cents. So this is a new feature that I absolutely love. Watch how this works. I set precision to 2. I'm going to make this $234.237. So I'm not typing this in as cents this time. All right, 369.1289. Enter. 125.257. All right, you can see I didn't type these in cents. Okay, it did the rounding for this. So this fixed function is something I would definitely suggest you use when I give you a program that says calculate money. This gap here is because remember, look, I set this to 12. The set width, the gap between here and here is 12. These were set at 8. That means the gap between this and this is 8. So this just works out a lot better than you actually trying to count, putting quotation marks and you counting out spaces. This helps you count. This does the counting for you. So I'm going to go back to the code so you can see it one more time. This fixed here, the set precision fixed, fixes the amount of digits past the right of the decimal, and that's really important. So this line here will be something that you all will use quite a bit. This set width is just for when you're doing columns of work. All right, guys, give this one a try. This definitely takes a little practice. Set precision, set width, and don't forget IO manip. Without this, set precision and set width does not work. All right, this is the last video today. I hope you all practice with this some. This stuff definitely needs practice. Just like when I'm telling students to do your math problems, it's not something you can just be an observer and get good at. To practice it, your hands actually have to type it. You have to see it and think it through to work. All right, guys, you have a good day. I'll probably be popping back up on the screen here in just a second.